Just because the temperatures drop doesn't mean foraging has to stop. Right here behind me are black raspberry brambles. The vibrant colors of these raspberries are obvious even in the dim evening light. These vines, as well as the roots, can be used to make teas that have been known to treat diarrhea as well as mouth inflammation. Chicory, cattail, wild carrot, and mullein are just a few of the other many roots and tubers that can be used and harvested during the winter. There are a few wild edibles that can provide greens in the winter, such as chickweed, creeping Charlie, and even the common mullein can be harvested and eaten while green and growing. And of course, the cambium from trees like elm, sweet gum, the common beech, and our pines can be used to make teas. So this winter, get out there and beat the cold and eat something wild. And don't forget to click subscribe.